Meaning of ginger group.
Ginger group.
Ginger group.
Ginger group.
Ginger group. The term ginger group originated in the early 20th century and refers to a small group of people within a larger organization or political party who share a specific interest or agenda. These individuals often work together to push for change or reform within their organization. The name comes from the idea that ginger adds flavor and spice to a dish, just as these groups add energy and passion to their cause. Ginger groups can be found in many different fields, from environmental activism to business lobbying. They can be controversial but have played an important role in shaping policies and movements.